Hey guys, we're back with another unboxing, and guess what we have today? For the first time, we have a starter set. Our Evolved, the Legends set, Savior Valkyrie, and an amazing launcher.
Gold one. Yeah, gold
See?
one. Gold
Valkyrie
digger.
looks amazing, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
gold
but I'm
launcher.
guessing it's not really that good. You'll know why. So, what do we have here? We have Valkyrie here. Do we need the box?
Yeah.
Keep it on the side.
No, so.
I won't be like Origi.
Blue.
So we have stickers here, and we have the launcher and the whole base set here. Also, there is a small sneak peek from this, and this doesn't fit in Valkyrie. Can you guess what it fits in? I guess you can.
That's the worst strategy Takatomi has ever done.
Type it in the comments below. We are late,
Everybody
we know.
knows.
So yeah, okay, let's do.
Takatomi.
So what have we seen so far? We have Belial with Fafnir's F upgrade. We have Fafnir, and we have this, a very wacky Valkyrie. So let's first open this. What's it?
Gold one. The armor plated.
So we have this amazing launcher here, which is also left and right.
Dude, this is amazing. Oh my
Yep.
god. How to launch the bee?
Wait.
Oh, it comes with another thing. What?
Wait.
Wait.
See this here? This goes
Oh, dude, it's a freaking transformer.
right here. You click it in. It's in right mode.
Dude, it's a freaking transformer.
Sticking somewhere.
It's okay.
Sticky, sticky?
It's getting stuck somewhere.
Step bro, I am stuck.
See this.
What?
This is the actual power launchers part where the power comes from. As you can see in this transparent side, the gear ratio is low, so it generates.
More power.
So we have this here. This is the left side. This is the right side. And I love this launcher just to be.
It's a freaking transformer.
Yeah, I just absolutely
He
love
just bought
launcher.
this way for this launcher. okay?
Yeah.
Greedy.
So we have this in place. Let's lock it. And we have right launcher with a rubber grip.
Actually,
How
it comes
fancy
with
is this?
the Rubber.
How fancy is this? I love this.
Rubber.
And just to make it left, Ronit,
Airplane crash.
thanks.
Airplane crash. Boeing 747.
Dude, this is good.
Just to make it left, we need to take this out. Just flip it around. And everybody goes nuts. We have left now. How cool is this?
Okay, the string is very long.
The string is very long, the launcher is very powerful, and it looks amazing.
Yes, it looks
Look at the blue.
freaking transformer.
This is my favorite blue.
That's Optimus Prime, dude.
This is
Optimus
actually
Prime.
like Optimus Prime. I'm not
Optimus
kidding.
Prime doing crime in 2021.
So let's put it back together in right mode.
This looks aqua submarine or something.
Yep.
The color is
We'll
so
keep it here.
good. The color is so good.
Okay. Let's come to the wacky part. So this is okay. First of all, the weight is crazy. This is the disc and driver combined. It's called Origin's favorite word, shot.
Short?
So what does this tip have? This, I'll show you guys.
Ball.
So this is its normal form where the tip is exposed. Can you guys see?
Yeah.
Yep. Can you see?
Yeah, clear, it's clear.
So when it goes into that particular mode, I have to show you that to you. Wait. Can I do it manually? I don't think so. I have to put it in and show it. Wait. Give me a sec, guys. And
Look at this dude.
dude,
Why are you
stop
gay?
playing with that and just look at this.
Just look at the technology.
Look at this.
What?
This is nuts. This is
Whoa.
Savior Valkyrie.
This literally looks like the previous version
Wait,
with bigger.
wait.
No, with color this.
There is rubber here, and this rubber part that you see
In
here,
every generation there is rubber
Wait.
here, there is rubber
it's
there.
gonna go off. Just like Evolution Driver, this rubber part from all three sides is gonna go off, and it's gonna provide a bigger smash attack. And trust me, this layer is even better. Why? I'll show you. So let's open this. Let's remove this. We have Valkyrie DB core. Can you guys see?
Yes.
That looks nice. We have the Savior blade. This looks nice, right?
Yep.
And we have this, right? Number 7. We have 3 here, 1 here I think, and this is 7. Now wait, this is probably the only DB core that has a gimmick. You guys want to know what the gimmick is? Yeah?
Just flip it up.
Nope. I'll show you. Put it in. That's what she said.
Yeah, boy.
Cut.
See here? You're gonna see the gimmick here when you put this in. I'll show you, wait.
Oh.
And we have Valkyrie here. Now wait,
Double
go
DB.
to him for the expression. How heavy is this exactly?
Show me. Give it to daddy.
Yes, there you go. That's the gimmick of the DB chip. It's a spring-loaded one.
What?
Oh my god.
Yep,
Oh, yes.
Good dude.
right?
This is good.
How nice is this, huh?
This is good.
Okay.
Where's the spring?
It
Ah.
looks like the
How wacky is this? This looks wacky, but I like it. Actually, I
This
do.
looks
those
like
electronic
daddy.
base.
Yeah.
Remote control RC base.
This looks like daddy of all.
Okay, how do we
So,
parse this? Now I'm confused. Okay. Oh my god, this looks nice.
This looks amazing.
So now Valkyrie is a stamina type all of a sudden.
Nope. This tip actually goes inside.
So it's an empty.
Valkyrie jumps and it becomes an attack type.
What?
It jumps in the middle of the battle. And it becomes an attack type. Guys, we have all the parts here. It doesn't have much parts, this Valkyrie. So we got Shot, we got 7, we got Savior, and we got Valkyrie. This one has a gimmick of... That's nice, right? Yep. This one has a gimmick of this rubber coming off and this providing even better smash attack. This one comes with that, so let's not go with the gimmick here. And this gimmicky part is heavy, and this is probably very fancy and not really competitive. But basically what this does is this eventually starts with this kind of semi-sharp tip, I guess. It starts off like that, actually sharp only. And then it just jumps up, it bounces up, and it becomes a tall tip of, I think it's whole flat. Yeah, it's whole flat. It becomes that, and then Valkyrie speeds around, you know, the regular Valkyrie drill. Now, let's put on the stickers, what's it?
Yeah.
So, let's put on the stickers here. Let's go, guys. So, we are back.
What is dude doing?
Never mind. So, we are back with stickers applied. We have Valkyrie's DB core. This is looking amazing.
Yeah.
We have the Savior blade. This looks amazing with the white sticker, as Ronit said. We have 7 here with the stickers applied.
Dude. The whites are glowing. Yeah, it's glowing.
Great. And we have Shot here with the minimal this stickers. Ready? So we'll assemble it. And we have Valkyrie in
Oh, dude, this looks fun.
high mode.
Dude, this looks fun.
But the blade looks amazing, okay?
Yeah.
The blade actually looks pretty amazing.
Put it in like.
Low mode, right?
This looks weird.
I will. Okay, and also 7 has 3 wings on one side, 4 wings on the other side. This makes it a little bit disbalanced, as we know.
Valkyrie's
That
an actor.
works best with Valkyrie.
Yes, of its gimmick.
There you go.
Attacking gimmick.
So we'll just put it in here. Let's put it here. And we have complete Savior, Valkyrie, in this mode. We are not able to show you this gimmick without launching it, properly in the stadium and battling it out. This will not right now, some other video. But wait, there's more. As we know, we have Fafnir here and we have Belial here, and Belial gets an upgrade from Valkyrie, and the upgrade is this.
Just some scheme by Takatomi.
It's not a skin, it's metal.
Oh, dude.
Let's put this aside. Let's put this in. You know what this does? This makes Belial's driver into a -1 sort of, to that level. It's that good. Just basically put this in like, wait a second. Basically this goes here. This loads up the spring even further. Right. And I was putting it there
Putting it around.
every time. There you go. The spring is much tighter now. And we have the V upgrade from Valkyrie. So if we put it together now, let's see how heavy Belial becomes by putting it together and making Ronit shake it out. Okay, the teeth just went wild. Check it.
Why is the reaction like dead? You are dead.
How's the heavy weight?
It's
Heavy, right? So we have 2 upgrades in Belial before we make complete or it's alright. So we have level 3 Belial I think. One was base, second with Fafnir, third with Valkyrie. Next we have Spriggan.
Yeah.
Then we have Longinus.
Yeah.
So Blazes of the Fall.
Out for the
Out.
sometime.